upset about it, because if it happens, it happens.
Scared the f out of me.
No, you're not my laptop. You're not my laptop.
You did ninja on me.
Julius, I can clearly see you. You're a grown man in a trash can. And it's also way too small for you.
Well, try. Oh no, oh shit! No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna hide in here. Here, give me the phone.
Jesus, you're hiding in there! You're hiding in there! Oh my gosh! Right, get the lock. Stop it! Stop doing that! You bastard!
Here, Julius.
Oh, get that camera out of my face. I can see you right there. I can see you lying on the floor. Jesus.
Don't you freaking dare.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Make sure to follow my real Instagram before I go back on private. That's right, guys. I'm going on private in 24 hours.